Hello and welcome to Tech Solutions. Today I'll show you how to disable Bing search results in the Start menu on Windows 10. By default, in the Start menu, when you type anything, it will try to search for it on Bing. I'll give you an example. If I go to my Start menu and type Mike Tyson, it will provide me search results from Bing, as you can see here, and then more search the web results here, and even related movie and TV shows. However, this is not what we want. This can get very annoying when we are trying to search for files and other programs on our computer. I'll show you how to remove this feature. Firstly, click on the Start menu here. Then type regedit, that's regedit, and that will bring up the registry editor. Click on that. Click yes. Then expand HKey current user, software, scroll down until you find Microsoft and expand that. Then scroll down until you find Windows and expand that. Click on current, and then scroll all the way down until you find search and click on search. You'll see a list of results here. Now what you want to do is click on edit at the top, new, dword 32-bit value, and type this exactly as you see it on screen. Bing search enabled. Then hit enter. Then double click on this and make sure the data value is a 0. Next, you'll want to go to Cortana consent, double click on the data value and change it to a 0. Then hit OK. Close the registry editor and then give your computer a restart. After a restart, you should see that you'll get no more search results from Bing. Okay, I've just restarted my computer, so we'll go back to the Windows Start menu and we'll type Mike Tyson in again. As you can see this time, there are no Bing results whatsoever, and it makes the Start menu much cleaner when searching for files, applications and programs on your computer. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment with any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.